All right, so here I have two variables for a division and the remainder of the division. I've not yet used them. So for now, I'm assigning the value none to both of them. And then below those two variables, I have print lines where I will print the results of the division and then the results of the remainder for that division. The point here is to learn how to use the modulo operator in Python. So let's begin here. I'm going to type the dividend, which is the number being divided. I'm selecting 10, and then we're going to set the divisor as 5. And then here, I'm going to have something very similar. But instead of the division operator, I'm going to have the modulo operator, which is the percentage sign here. So let's see what happens when we print this. 10 divided by 5 is 2. But then the remainder of that division, because 5 by 2 is 10 exactly, the remainder here is 0. So when we print this, we're supposed to get the value 2 here and the value 0. So let's see what happens. I'm selecting this and we get 2. We have 0.0 here because divisions normally return float values, so 2.0, and then the remainder is 0. Let's understand better the behavior of the modulo operator. I'm going to select a lower value such as 1. So 10 divided by 1 is 10. Again, this is a whole value, a whole number, so there is no remainder. So when I print this, I get 10 and then 0. What happens if I select 2 here? So we should get 5 and then the remainder is 0, which is what we get here. But what if we start using higher numbers, higher divisors? So I'm going to select here 9. 9 by 1 is 9. The remainder here should be 1. Whereas 10 divided by 9 should give us 1.111 something. So let's see what we get. We get 1.11 something for 10 divided by 9, but the remainder is 1 because we get 9, remainder 1. Let's use the value 6, for example. So here we should get 4, the remainder. 6 by 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So we have here the remainder is 4, but the actual division is this 1.66. Now there is a rule here when you use modulo operators, and it's that if the divisor is greater than the dividend, if both of them are positive integers, the remainder will be the dividend itself. So what does this mean? Let's say I select a value like 18. Now in this case here, 10 divided by 18, we're going to get a number less than 1. But 10 divided by 18, the remainder will be 10. It is the dividend itself. Because this is greater than 10, 18 is greater than 10, the modulo operator, which provides the remainder, will simply give you the dividend itself. So let's see how this works. We get 0.555 something, and the remainder is the dividend itself. So let's prove this point again. What if I select a value like 100? In this case, this will become 0.1, but this one here will still be 10. So this is what we get here, 0.1 and then 10. So I hope you understand how the modulo operator works. If you have any questions, let me know in your comments and I will answer you.